In this session, let us learn about audio. HTML audio, the HTML audio element. The HTML audio element is used to play an audio file on a web page. To play an audio file in HTML, use the audio element. See, by writing and executing this code, using audio element here, source audio controls, source src audio slash way, source audio slash way. By writing and executing this code, we will get the result like this. HTML audio, how it works. The controls attributes add audio controls like play, pause and volume. The source tag element allows you to specify alternative audio files which the browser may choose from. The browser will use the first recognized format. The text between the audio and audio tags will only be displayed in browsers that do not support the audio element. See, HTML audio autoplay. To start an audio file automatically, use the autoplay attribute. See, by writing and executing this code using controls autoplay, see here, we will get the result like this. Chromium browsers do not allow autoplay in most cases. However, muted autoplay is always allowed. Add muted after autoplay to let your audio file start playing automatically by but muted. See, by writing and executing this code, we will get result like this. Controls autoplay muted. See, the sound was muted. HTML audio media types. File format and media type. MP3 audio slash MPEG, OGG audio slash OGG, wave audio slash wave. HTML audio methods, properties and events. The HTML DOM defines methods, properties and events for the audio element. This allows you to load, play and pause audio as well as set duration and volume. There are also DOM events that can notify you when the audio begins to play, is paused, etc. HTML audio tags. See here, tag description. Audio tag defines sound content. Source tag defines multiple media sources for media elements such as video and audio. Okay friends, this is the end of HTML part 64 audio. In next video, let us learn about another topic, HTML plugins.
If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.